What is the laziest way for beginners to make money with AI, to have realistic chances to explore the scenario of starting a side hustle, earning some extra money, working from anywhere in the world? That's what everybody wants, right? It's not bad to want to earn more with less effort. What is bad is having wrong expectations, and that's not what we do on this channel. So in this video, I'll show you 4 legit, real AI side hustles that anybody can start as a beginner with half an hour, 1 hour per day for the next 2 weeks, and start exploring what other people are doing out there using the gift of AI, because it is a gift if you use it properly. So if you want to be among the people that took this step, that made the decision to change something, to watch this video, you are exactly at the right place. Let's do this. So the first idea I'm gonna show you is the early access catalog of Printify. Let me explain. One of the major factors of success to any entrepreneurial move is timing, right? When you enter the market, how saturated is the environment, how many people are doing the same, etc. So the early access catalog of Printify is exactly that. It's trending, early access, new items that Printify, that has millions of users and multiple insights from other examples of things that work, has selected to open up early because they have high chances of selling more, of becoming successful. And you can also find here items that you don't really see often in other pop-up stores, print-on-demand stores, on Etsy, or any other marketplace, right? So you can explore the catalog right here. Depending on the niche you're gonna select, your taste, your design aesthetic, you can select different items that you can customize. So for example, I love fleece blankets in the winter. Netflix, a blanket, my cat, and some good food, right? Who doesn't love that? So why not go to Claude and do this exact step? So I asked Claude to create a custom plan for beginners with 99% chances of success. Okay, I'm trying to be a bit too ambitious here, right? Let's see what they say. Inspired by the success stories of people who make 6 and 7 figures with print-on-demand stores, they do exist and you can search for that. So give me a plan for the next 2 weeks that I will follow with 1 hour work per day to get my first sale. I want to leverage the early access catalog of Printify, right? Now, Claude is honest, that's why I love it. One honest note before we dive in. There's no guarantee of a sale, right? Depends on real buyers finding real products. So I love how it starts. It sets the expectations right. But it says exactly what I said to you. Early access matters. So this catalog means that almost zero of sellers have listings live with them. So there's a real edge for a total beginner, right? That's what we want. The edge, something that will give you an advantage. So it will give you the foundation week, what you need to do for the next 7 days with 60 minutes per day. Pick your micro niche, right? Search for trends. If you don't know the niche already, you know what? I love entrepreneurship, I love pets, I love food. So this is my niche, right? So you can explore within this niche what your field will be to create products, to design stuff, etc. So choose day 1 to find that, right? Number 2, scout the early access catalog. See what you have in here. You have 67 pages with different products. So there is a lot to digest, search, explore, etc. right? So follow the plan, 1 step at a time. 1 day, commit to yourself to do exactly what Claude gave you for the next week. Second week, traffic and conversion, right? We have our Printify store ready, the designs, the needs, the products, everything is ready. Now we try traffic. So it gives you, again, the plan, and you can ask for more details. How to bring traffic from Pinterest, how to expand the catalog, because we have said before, the more products you list, the more chances you have to have faster feedback, remove products, and launch new ones, right? The social nudge, check the data, etc. So I will not show you the full plan, but follow the steps. Day 1, day 2, and so on and so forth. Now, I did some digging here in order to find some niches overall and give you some direction. I will not show you what I did right here. What I want to show you though is that I asked for the top niches that you would go for this early access catalog in general, right? And it gave me digital nomad, eco-conscious, pet travel. You can take it or leave it. That's just a few ideas that I wanted to give to you. The van life outdoor aesthetic, we have covered that before. Milestone gift keepsakes to enter the gifting traveling occasion. And you can also go very specifically to ask for ideas, design prompts for a specific niche, for a specific product. So I selected this product, as I said before, entered that on Claude, and it gave me the actual design ideas. You see the directions, but also the prompts right here. I just copy them on Lovart, and here it is. This is the traveling variation, so people that want to explore different worlds, right? Vintage style world map illustration, age texture background, hand-drawn cartographic style, etc. So we captured the mood of this designer for the specific niche that we discussed. This gaming, 8-bit pixel landscape retro for people who love Minecraft or video games or etc. And also these designs for people who treat their pets as royalty, right? So depending on the mood, you can use Claude to create a plan, design different product concepts for a specific category, or as we said before, go wild, create many products for many niches, create multiple stores. Use Printify integrations right here to connect with Etsy, with Shopify, with TikTok. That is the next big thing. TikTok Shop right now is going global. It used to be in US only, now it's all over the world. So it's the greatest chance for you to explore that. Launch your products and see what you do. Let me know in the comments who is going after this, and let's go to number 2. Now, the next side hustle is really exciting, and I know that many of you will go for it. I have created a couple of videos on social testing that concept. Many people asked for more details, so here it is. So if you search for Coco Melon, if you have kids, probably you know it. It's the most popular kids song video on the web, right? You're gonna see probably one of the most viral channels in the history of the internet. This video right here, that is 3 minutes, or this one that is 2 minutes, have 9 billion views, 3 billion views, 5 billion views. They look like this. It's a kid's song that parents are having their kids watch again and again. They absolutely love them. They get crazy about them. So they watch on repeat, and that's why you see so many views. So what we're gonna do is show you first of all how much money they make, right? So this video that you saw, the most viral one, I will paste it right here. And these are the earnings, the estimated earnings based on the CPM of this niche and the views. It's $64 million. Only this song, right? And this channel is making approximately, according to Social Blade, $5 to $80 million per year. Crazy, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our own kid tracks and create a YouTube channel for kids songs replicating the Coco Melon concept, right? So what you're gonna do is choose any of the videos or any other video, because it's not just Coco Melon, there are thousands of different kids songs, right? You will click on transcript here, copy the transcript. I did that before. I pasted it right here, and I asked Claude to create a super viral song based on this catchy concept that it has to be original. So we want to create something new, right? It gave me the actual song. Now, you want to go long, right? You need to go at least 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, I think, is the sweet spot. So I used Gemini, pasting the lyrics, the new lyrics that we created. This is for another example. But the problem with Gemini is that it gives you 30 seconds only, right? So I will play to you just to get an idea. So this is the behind the blanket kind of concept. But if you want to go longer, you need to invest some money, like $20, $10, I don't know how much it costs, to get your own 3-4 minute tracks, like this one that I created, the blast of rocket ship. So this is my track. I have created different tracks before for different concepts, but you need to experiment with a tool like this, find a melody that you like, and then that's the fun part here. We're gonna go to Agent Opus that gives you the opportunity to turn any song into a video clip like this. So all you gotta do is select this option. You're gonna upload your track, and as you see, I have created before different styles. You also have some pre-made styles from Agent Opus. So I have selected those 2 different styles that match the Coco Melon style. How you do it? All you gotta do is create add style, paste the reference video from Coco Melon, or add an image, like a screenshot from Coco Melon. You see it right here. You hit generate and you have your style ready. So all you gotta do is upload the track that you have created on Suno, select the style, go for the horizontal version because you want long video, right? Not shorts, long video right here. Select the Seedance 2.0 and hit generate. And those 2 are the results of videos that I did. Check them out.
Peekaboo, where can baby be? Baby pops out with a giggle. Tee hee hee. Zoom, 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 we're flying to
So after you create these videos, start posting them on a new YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel, call it however you want, and start posting videos every single day for a month, and let's see what happens, right? Who's gonna try this one? Let me know in the comments. And last but not least, training AI is giving us the opportunity to explore completely new horizons. There are companies out there, and that's why I'm gonna show you 3 different platforms. So I'll show you actually 5 side hustles in total, right? That give you the opportunity to train AI with simple tasks, offering your expertise or just your time, to train AI models, and those platforms are using those data to sell them to big companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, etc. So you get a cut. So I've selected carefully 3 different platforms that are completely legit and give you the opportunity to train AI through different projects in exchange of an hourly rate, which, as you see, is different based on general purpose projects like these ones or expert rate, right? So people are earning $100 or even more per hour based on their expertise and the project they're gonna be working on, right? So I've selected Outlier that every single week gives you different opportunities to explore, like this one or this one, training AI voice models in different languages like Finnish, Malay, Indian, and so many other. You have options for 52 different countries, 60 opportunities that are active right now, and you can also see the high pay opportunities on Outlier that pay people up to $75 per hour if you have the expertise in this case of law, right? So they want to train AI models related to legal issues. Read the job details, apply to each project, apply to as many projects as you can. It's work from anywhere, flexible hours, so why not give it a go, right? You can do the same with Mindrift. That's probably the biggest project-based platform that connects experts with AI training opportunities. And as you see, there are open opportunities for coding, legal, consultation, STEM-related projects. So explore them right here. You see the pay rate as well. Apply to something that fits your resume, your background, your skill set, and do that for as many opportunities as possible. You can also check this platform as well, DataAnnotation.tech. All of them are legit. I have reviewed them. People are making money with this if they fit the criteria, if they're eligible, right? And in each one of them, you have different opportunities to experience, like this one that pays $25 to $35 per hour to fact check and proofread English content, right? So many different occasions from experts to generalists. So give it a go. Try these platforms. You can find them in the description and let me know how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really believe that these ideas are worth exploring and can take you from beginner level to way above average, and they can also help you explore new ways to monetize AI. So if you enjoyed this, please show some love, like the video, share it with somebody that will find it useful, and until next time, simply hustle.